And then they've got some exotic wood also. Purple Heart. Check that out. This next one here is, how you say that, Lee? Powrosa? Powrosa. My East Tennessee hillbilly accent's coming out in full force. There's some 4-4 mahogany. Pretty stuff. There's some yellow heart on the bottom. That piece there looks like it's almost quarter sawn. Kind of looks like quarter sawn sycamore right there. This next one is Paducah. Huh? Padak. Alright, I ain't gonna attempt this one. Goncalo Alves.
Otherwise known as Tigerwood.
Kind of sounds like a criminal. Tigerwood. And on the very top, I can pronounce this one just barely. That one there is called zebra wood. Interesting stuff. Y'all come check out Baghdad Lumber and Mr. Lee Miller here, and he'll